Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Dust or Bust. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about replacing the oil shaft bushing, intermediate shaft bushing, distributor bushing. So it's got a few different names, but there's a bushing here right inside the block that we want to replace, and there's not a whole lot of information out there about it. There's a special tool required, and it's a burnishing tool, which is also a little confusing to me, being fairly new to this. So I wanted to make a quick video and actually go through the process of installing this bushing. So hopefully somebody finds this useful. Alright, so let's take a quick look inside and let me show you where this bushing is going. So we already took the old one out, and right here is where this new bushing is going to sit. Real quick, let me show you what this bushing is doing. Basically, I have my oil pump rod here, probably also called intermediate shaft, but this is going to, our bushing is going to fit, you know, right inside there, and this is going to get press fit in there, and then here, oil shaft is going to fit down in there. But to get it to fit just right, we basically, this tool is designed to basically ream this out to be, or press it to be, the exact right dimension so that this shaft is able to spin freely. And then distributor bushing, because distributor is going to basically plug right on top of this. So there's more into how everything ties together, but today let's just focus on getting this bushing in place. So alright, so like I said, I already took out the old one, which you can use the same tool to take it out. I didn't have the tool yet, so what I did was I basically came from the backside and tapped it out, and the thing fell apart on me. It was a bit of an ordeal, but either way, you gotta get the old one out first and then quickly clean up the area. I just kind of give it a quick brushing. So let's go ahead and let's put the new one in. So we have our burnishing tool or bushing installer here, and there's a few different components to it here. And this was I picked this one up off of Summit, and here's the part number for it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to first, we're going to stick the reaming section in here just to get it started. I'm just going to give it a little tap to get it started. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here. That's probably a little too much. I have to wipe my hands here. All right. All right, so a little bit of grease on there, and I got it started on the tip. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop it straight in, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this collar on it, and this is going to mate up with this hole in the block, and this is really just keeping me so I'm hitting it in straight. This is not, you know, it's not secured in place, it's just loose, and it's just holding it straight. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to tap it until we get the bushing totally in place or flush in position. So here we go. Oh, here she went. Alright, it is now in place. And alright, so now we have it all the way in place. So what we're going to do now is we want to extract the tool without extracting the bushing. So that's where our nut comes into play. So we put this all the way down by hand, and if we were to turn the main shaft, then then we would turn the bushing. So we don't want to do that because it's basically it's pretty much press fit onto the bushing right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 wrenches. In this case, for this specific tool, I believe it's a 1 inch, but I don't have a 1 inch. My 1 1/8 fits well enough, and then a 9/16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the 9/16 on top here. I'm going to hold the shaft so that the shaft doesn't move, and I'm going to push my nut down, and that is going to pull the shaft upward, and it's going to extract the tool. And this is not that tight. It's coming out pretty easy. All right, and there we go. And she's in place, nice and flush. So whenever we go to install, I'll have to get that out later. Whenever we put our little oil pump shaft in here, that's going to slide right in. And then, you know, eventually our distributor is going to go right on top of that, and everything fits up just right. So, all right, hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, folks.